was a great experience. But
You saw the writing on the wall.
I saw the writing on the wall.
What was that? What was that kind of that day or that break where it was like maybe you were like, I just got to go to business school, or I need to go to banking. Like, and why banking?
Because I had been, like I said, I had been interviewing around, and not just
2009, 2010.
This is 2009, 2010.
It's a bad time.
It was awful time, and I was trying to find, even I was open to leaving trading, but I just kept running into the same headwinds of like, how are you going to convince me you're not going to jump right back to trading once the job market gets better? Or great, like we agree that you're analytical and you can answer all these great logic questions and whatever, but like I don't care about that. I need somebody who's good at PowerPoint who can put together a sim, right? Like, and they both are skill sets. It just happened that I had one at the time and I didn't have a great one. I was good in Excel, but like I said, I didn't know anything about accounting or corporate finance.
Is it interesting that they don't really care about raw intellectual horsepower? They care about just how hard you're willing to draw.
For experienced hires. Yeah, that was at the time. I mean, I was competing for a lot of roles that weren't necessarily in banking, but they were similar skill sets. And they're like, why am I going to hire this guy who is a trader and he'll take 3 months for me to teach him everything when I can just hire an analyst from any investment bank who's been doing this for the last 2 years?
Yeah, it's true.
It's 100% true now that I've worked with lots of analysts.